Hi, and welcome to your tutorial video. Fincon Accounting has a function that enables users to send emails from within the system. The setup process consists of two steps. In this video, I'll be showing you the second step, which is to link all the relevant users to the SMTP server settings entered in step 1, and to enter all the relevant information. You can find the link to the article which explains step 1 beneath this video. The user information that has to be entered consists of the following: the username required to log into the SMTP server, if any, the password required to log into the SMTP server, if any, the sender's name, and the sender's email address. There is additional information you can enter for the user, which can be used when setting the document text for emails. This information includes the sender's job title, the sender's telephone number, and 6 user-defined fields. Here's how to create user email settings. Log into Fincon Accounting. Navigate to System, then to Mail Settings, and lastly to User Settings. Call up a list of all the user accounts definitions by pressing F2 on your keyboard while in the user text box. Select the appropriate user account by double-clicking on it, or selecting it and pressing Enter on your keyboard. Check that a confirmation window has appeared with the following message: the user mail definition does not exist. Do you want to create it? Click the Yes button. Enter the relevant SMTP name to connect to in the SMTP name text box. You can press F2 in the text box to call up the SMTP settings. Enter the user-specific username in the SMTP username text box. This is usually your email address. Enter the user-specific password in the SMTP password text box. Note that if authentication details are entered here, they will replace the authentication details entered in the SMTP server definition, but only for the specific user. So if you want all users to have the same authentication details and want them all to use the same mailbox, do not enter a username and password here. Now choose Y to use MAPI ANSI in the Use MAPI ANSI text box, or N if you do not want to use it. Choose Y to use MAPI Unicode in the Use MAPI Unicode text box, or N if you do not want to use it. If you want to send emails directly from Fincon Accounting, instead of through an email client such as Outlook, both of these should be set to N. Choose Y to BCC the sender in all emails in the BCC Sender text box, or N if not desired. Enter the sender's name in the Sender Name text box. Enter the sender's email address in the Sender Email text box. Enter the sender's title in the Sender Title text box. Enter the sender's telephone number in the Sender Tel Number text box. Enter any additional desired user-defined information in the user-defined 1 to 5 text boxes. Note that user-defined means that these fields can be whatever you want them to be. There isn't a hard and fast rule about what should be entered into these fields. It can vary from organization to organization. These fields can be added as tags in the email body. This adds a layer of variability to your emails. Once done, click the Accept button. And that's it. Step 2 is completed. Thank you for watching and happy accounting!